Iching barja nindo Pierio achiel miduma boro makaliwa Rio ki Pierio Rio dulmi Rotary International man District 9213 okare ke yub mineno kit magen giromo Rayo kodi jima pat mi konyo joma tie kalimo pero matek tutwal i Karamoja sub-region. Geno kate kon gitika lego lube chwiny matie kin piny ma pat mineno kit magen giromo miyo kwede chiene ikine ki jimi mukene neno ne nikichwalo bod joma tika miato kony. Malupe kilok pa Kennedy Sebalu mati governor mi Rotary International midul man ke kuma mo loge yeni geno wachi gitie ke yup matek minene gi konyo joma tie i Karamoja sub-region. Wanen matute ma aki bolda church pawanlu TV Jackson Kitara Igulu City.
Dul Rotary International District abong Rayo achiel adek utero yar yub me Rayo unyo jogo Jami ki cente bot luber kit me konyo lwak ma keyo diyugi i Karamoja. Ikar me yabu yub man ki boma hotel Igulu City Kennedy Sebalu governor me Rotary International District abong Rayo achiel adek olego lwak duyu me miyo gien mo keken magitie kwere kir Jami achama unyo cente me konyo lwak ma Karamoja kika ber mo rumu.
Our drive is driven by the need to support in any way that is convenient, that is compatible to the different actors. So where cash is given, cash is going to be received, is going to be accounted for, and is going to be used in a manner that is transparent and accountable by buying materials that are needed. So where cash is given, it will be used to procure the necessary logistics that are required, be it food and any other utilities, any other aspects of the needs that we need. Consumables.
Sebalo wajoni malupe kia dugi report mau karo dana bor idoga achiel i Karamoja pe kicham unyo petie kicham mau ramo mau wero dana mapol dong uto ni chake mamara eni uchake.
The situation has been made dire by the rise in cattle rates, massive crop failure as a result of prolonged drought in the region. Consequently, both humans and their livestock have been grossly affected. Children and the elderly remain the most affected by the hunger situation, with thousands of children facing severe acute malnutrition and remain in great danger unless urgent interventions are undertaken.
John Magezi Ndamira, governor me achiel me Rotary International District abong Rayo achiel adek owajoni gien tich gitie me bedo ka konyo dano kama peroti iye.
And we are already working, we are already discussing with partners, different partners, to see how we can work together in mobilizing the resources, in mobilizing the supplies, and be able to transport these supplies to the regions where they are needed. It is important that we identify the specific areas where we are going to send these supplies. We are also mobilizing our clubs, the Rotary clubs and the members to participate through our structures. So the presidents of these Rotary clubs are going to be working with their members to mobilize these resources so that we are able to coordinate them, warehouse them where necessary, and be able to deliver these resources.
Lake Ari, President Rotary Club Megulu wajoni gitie karibe ki dul ma pat me chako Rayo kony me konyo lwak ma Karamoja.
Rotary Club of Gulu, being a club that is already in this region for the last 36 years, is definitely at the forefront to coordinate this support. We are looking out for partners. We're already in talks with some partners locally here to see how do we strengthen this level of coordination, how do we bring these resources together. And we as a team in Gulu, we are also acknowledging the different clubs that in this region. We have Rotary Club of Gulu City, we have the Rotary Clubs of Gulu Community, we have the Rotary Club of Gulu University. These are all resources that we've joined hands in as partners to ensure that we take the lead on the ground.
Alfred Ukwa, President Rotary Club Gulu City, Olego lwak, Mary Bushing Kwedgi, where Girao Nyogi Jog Jami Mamete, me konyo lwak, Karamoja.
This is not the first time Rotary have come to help during the time of need. We have all witnessed various support Rotary have given to our people, and call upon people of my city and our regions here to join hands with Rotary Club to support the population of Karamoja, so that we fight this anger together.
Bible itich palukwana suara Rayo cheng piardek Rayo me o piardeka beach wajuni sing mamiyo no gumapol kai tiki kony mo mi bot jo Rotary Club moge kan machakwiri wek ikony lupero pilora ngeo mo chwiny iwan luo TV and Jackson Gitara igulu